Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In today's video, we are going through a very beautiful set of fancy soft silk sarees. These sarees are light in weight and easy to carry, beautiful 3D embossed design, is running all over the body, along with contrast or running pallu and blouse. Beautiful single, double and triple border designs enhances this elegance of the saree, and these beautiful collections you are getting in a price of 550 rupees only, along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For making orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links are given in the description. As because of the highest customer demand, we have restocked this collection, and usually whenever we are restocking this type of collection, the stocks are finishing quickly, so make your order soon. For getting quick updates, you can join our WhatsApp group. The link is given in the description. Also, please avoid direct calls. Do directly message to the given WhatsApp number for any kind of